sobrang delikado na ngayon ng panahon, so dapat matuto tayo ng basic self-defense. So today I will teach you basic pero effective and game. So step 1 natin guys as close your fist, syempre, dalawa. Okay. This is step 1. Tapos step 2 natin, pag dito ang kamay, pag nasa position ka na, dapat lang dito. Okay, forward natin yan. Alright? Dapat lagi nakataas siya. Ito and then, left and right, swing lang siya. Swing lang siya from left and right. Okay? And then, yan, movement. Yeah. Yeah. Now you know.
So snap and whack, you point, then clap.